When we are in a rhythmic flow, we feel uplifted and totally connected with life. But our modern society makes it increasingly difficult to enter into a profound rhythmic flow. TaKeTiNa provides this opportunity on all levels, physical, emotional, and mental, for everyone. No need to learn a drum or study its course. All you need is your body as an instrument and the curiosity to immerse yourself in this process. Rhythm does not just exist in music. It manifests in our heartbeat, in the melody of our language, in our daily routines, and of course in the cycles of nature. And when you connect with these primal rhythmic movements, you connect with a power that has shaped humanity since millennia. The International TaKeTiNa Rhythm Teacher Training is so much more than just learning rhythm. It is a journey into the essence who you are, opening your full potential. The training helps you to develop exceptional rhythmic and musical skills. And it shows you how to become a true, authentic leader who lives his passion, is able to inspire others and open new perspectives.
This training is not only about becoming more confident in rhythm. It is also about becoming more confident in life. You will experience new things. Things that you haven't probably encountered before. And this will strengthen you and give you new perspectives. You learn the ability to lead groups and trust your intuition. You will work with rhythms that are the foundation of all music and provide you with profound rhythmic orientation and give you rhythmic confidence. The rhythm exercises create new neural connections, so you will develop concentration and memory skills. But most of all, TaKeTiNa breaks away from rigid or traditional learning methods and shows you how you can implement chaos phases in your learning.
Well, you could have the question, why now? In times that are so volatile and unpredictable. But isn't it precisely in these times that we need a foundation? We need a rhythm to orient ourselves and something that reminds us of what is our true purpose in life. We are convinced that this training can be such a reminder. And the best investment you can do in these uncertain times is an investment in your own personal and professional evolution, because it enables you to become independent, and it gives you the tools to navigate through any future challenges.
Becoming a certified TaKeTiNa teacher also means becoming part of a global community that is growing and open to new ideas.
In life you get trained to the fact that you get recognized for what you can do, for what you have, for what you're able to do. TaKeTiNa for me is a way of stepping out of me and my story, me and my needs, and you are letting go of everything. You are creating an empty space where suddenly you can get in contact with the true emotions that normally are kept down by the busy life we're living in.
I couldn't have imagined what it would be, because it's beyond words, being able to experience something so deep, so profound, and yet so simple, using your own body and just listening to your sensations and to your senses. This is just a gift that TaKeTiNa opens the space for us for that.
Das war super beeindruckend, wirklich da auch zu merken, dass ganz außerhalb von der musikalischen Dimension von TaKeTiNa da tatsächlich was in mir passiert, da tatsächlich was wachgerüttelt wird oder ich mir da selber näher kommen kann. Und ja, was Schöneres kann man ja gar nicht anderen Menschen irgendwie geben, als dass sie sich selbst auch da näher kommen können und dadurch ja auch besser in Verbindung mit dem Rest dann sein können.
I wish a lot of people could experience this state, because it's a new way of connecting and be truly authentic to yourself and your needs, and how then you connect with people.
Hey Congo dia, hey Congo lele bamba, hey bamba,
Da ist bei mir totales Loslassen passiert. Ich konnte gar nicht anders, also totale Kontrollverlust, sage ich mal, bei mir. Aber in einer sehr geborgenen Umgebung mit Reinhard und in der Gruppe, wo ich an so tiefe Gefühle gekommen bin, die in meiner Biografie einfach sehr lange verdrängt waren.
I remember Reinhard talking about being kind to yourself and allowing things to flow, and as once he mentioned that we don't have to be special, we don't have to be powerful or whatever, we just need to be, and that's something that really caught me.
Es passiert ganz viel. Ich werde weiter innerlich, ich werde größer, ich bin in der Lage, alles, was ich tue, ich bin eigentlich Chorleiterin auch, und meine Art, einen Chor zu leiten, durch eine Chorprobe zu gehen, aber auch meine Art, mit Emotionen umzugehen, meine Art, mit anderen Menschen umzugehen, andere Menschen zu sehen, verändert sich. Und ich verstehe mehr und mehr, dass es ein Bewusstseinstraining und eine Energiearbeit ist, wie Reinhard sagt.
Eu recomendo para todas as pessoas, especialmente se elas têm uma intuição, ou como o Reinhard disse, uma saudade. Elas sabem que talvez a vida seja um pouco mais, e elas sabem que elas talvez sejam mais relaxadas, mais alegres, enfim, mais conectadas, assim, e principalmente menos sérias e sisudas e rígidas.
Ja, ich bin zutiefst dankbar, dass ich TaKeTiNa begegnet bin, weil mein Leben hat sich so verändert dadurch. Ich war früher so schüchtern und habe mich einfach wenig getraut, und jetzt kann ich in der Gruppe stehen und fühle mich einfach sehr wohl mit mir.
Eu me interessei em fazer a formação porque eu gosto dos processos de desenvolvimento humano, eu trabalho com isso, eu gosto de processos de grupo, eu gosto de atividades de meditação, contemplação, gosto muito de música e musicalidade, mas entrei na formação mesmo porque eu queria entender melhor, aprender a sentir o fluxo invisível mesmo que tem na vida.
It would have helped me, and I know it would help a lot of young musicians to know that everyone is rhythmic and there should not be a doubt about it.
So really during these days I'm smiling all days, like really my eyes are shining, because I'm really excited. I feel joy of life here. Bigger inner peace, and of course entertainment, because you enjoy. Playing in this field is so joyful. It's one of the best things you can do because it's really entertaining. It's really playful. It's becoming a child again. So enjoying life, spending life on this planet the very best way I can imagine.
Congo dire bamba Congo dire bamba Congo dia Congo dire bamba Congo dire bamba Congo dia Congo dire bamba Congo dire.
It is our passion to teach and to be there for others. And this is the foundation to guide you through this training in the best possible way. Well, we do have decades of experience in education, in music, and in performance. And we are always curious to discover rhythm from a new perspective and convey it also in a new perspective.
Do you love music and do you want to work with something that combines meaning, depth, and quality of life? Then join the info workshop and find out whether this training is the right path for you.
Bamba